Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see some important information about CMA online exam. Today December 8th online exam starts for inter and final students. For those whose admit cards are issued for December 8th exam. The procedure for exam, what are the procedure you have to follow before starting the exam and what to write in your rough sheet. Is it necessary to type working papers, working notes in your main answer, and time management, and how to view marks for sub questions. These are all the points we are going to see in this video. The procedure before starting the exam. When you enter the exam center, your admit card will be verified with your identity card. Please take student identity card and also one government identity card like Aadhaar, passport or driving license. Then after entering your exam hall, your face is detected and a system will be allotted to you, and you have to write your attend your exam in this particular system. So face detection and the system allotment is the major procedure. So if there is any delay for system allotment or if there is any error in your system, it will be difficult for you to start the exam at the correct time. So please be at the exam center at the reporting time, sharp at the reporting time 8:30, so that there will be no delay for you to start the exam, because finishing time is same for all the students. So for morning session, if it is the exam for 10 to 1 p.m, sharply 1 p.m your exam system will be closed. It will be automatically submitted. So if there is any delay for you to start the exam, then you will not have the 3 hours for finishing the time. So properly make you are at the exam center at the reporting time itself, so that there will be no delay for you to start the exam. Then what to write in the rough sheet? In rough sheet you have to write your exam roll number and your question paper code. Question paper code will be there. Then question paper code and the exam roll number you have to write in the rough sheet. It will be signed by the invigilator. And all your working notes are to be in the rough sheet. But if there is any specific instruction in your question that working notes are necessary and it should be form part of your answer for evaluation, and some students are saying that it is not specifically mentioned whether such working note is for is to be in rough sheet or in the system, because only in that particular question it is given for I think it is in financial accounting hire purchase question. Working note should form part of your answer, so that it will be evaluated for your total marks in that particular question. So some students are telling that we think that working note should form part of the main answer space provided, and then we have already typed the answer in along with the main answer. We have also typed the working notes in the system itself, some students said. So please be careful while reading the question. If it is specifically mentioned that working note should form part of your answer in the system itself, please be careful to write the working notes. That means type the working notes. Otherwise, you can write it in your rough sheet. Time management. Time management we have already seen. So when you are at the correct time, at the reporting time, then there will be no delay to start the exam, and you can finish it within 3 hours. How to view the marks for sub questions? When you are typing the answers for each individual sub questions, the marks selected for that questions is not there in the screen. Some students said that, but some other students told that we can view the marks for sub questions when you are viewing the whole question in the single window. How to view the whole question? That is the way. If there is a long answer question number 1, it will have sub questions A, B, C, D. Then you can see all the sub questions A, B, C, D in that particular main question in a single window by clicking a particular icon in the window. How to click the question? It is already given in our mock test portal. If you are not known how to check the full question in a single window, please please go through the video link I given here, a complete demo with the full information of the mock test portal. I already uploaded one video. In that you can see how you can go through the video and see how to view the whole question paper in a single window, so that you can choose the best one, which is for which you can write the full answer, for particularly for section C questions. But not only section C questions, for all the sections you can see the whole question paper in a single window. If you know how to see the whole question paper, it is well and good. If you are not known how to see the full question paper in the single window, please go through the following video. A link I have given here in the description box. Here I have given how to see the whole question paper in the single window. This is the most important information we have gathered from our students who have written the exam today. I first of all thank all the students who shared this information, which is useful for the students who are going to start the exam from today or from January 3rd. Please share this video with your friends so that it will be useful for them. Please subscribe to our channel and make the notification enabled so that you can get the updates at the right time. Let us see in the next video.